Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a hanging indent in Google Docs. If you ever wondered how to make your documents look more professional or create a bibliography with ease, you are in the right place. So let's start the video. To create a hanging indent on Google Docs, open your Google Docs document. Now select the text where you want to apply the hanging indent. So this is our text. Now click on the format in the top menu. Hover your cursor over Align and Indent, and from the sub-menu click on Indentation Options. A pop-up window will appear. Click on drop-down under Special Indent and select Hanging from the menu. Now click on Apply button. Your selected text will now have a hanging indent with the first line at the regular margin and the subsequent lines indented. So that's how to do a hanging indent on Google Docs. Thanks for watching.